In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Bybit coupons. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So in order to use Bybit coupons, we must first head over to Bybit, and you can do this by going over to their website, or you can use the mobile app if you find that easier. So when you're on Bybit, you want to make sure you are logged into your account, and when you are logged in, you should be able to see the profile icon, which on PC is in the top right corner. So from there, we'll see all these options on the right hand side, but we want to go down to the third one, which should be My Rewards. From there, we get taken to the Rewards hub, and we can see all of the rewards that are in our account. And in here, we can find our coupons which we can use. Now, if you don't actually have any coupons in here yet, you might need to claim them. So you can head over to My Tasks at the top here, and you can scroll through here and see if you've completed any of these tasks. So for example, here's a 20 USDT welcome gift. And as long as we have signed up for Bybit, we'll actually be able to claim this $20. So we can go down here and click claim. And as you can see, it's now been claimed successfully. So we can click view rewards. And now when we head over to My Rewards, we can see the 20 USDT coupon in our account. So in order to use this Bybit coupon, it is very simple, and we literally just have to click this orange use button, and from there the coupon will automatically be applied to our account, and we'll be able to start using it today, as long as it's not expired, but you can check the expiry date down here. So that's how you can use Bybit coupons. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe to see some more content like this. Thanks for watching.